Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little Stella Chroma haul and swatch set to share with you. I went on their website and purchased 6 new polishes plus one that I already owned. So it will be going in the giveaway bucket. Lucky you guys. It's the Stella Chroma and Won't the Muggles See Us? So that will be going in the giveaway bucket. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I got my little nail wheel out here today. This one here is You Brave, Brave Man. I don't know if that's coming in good. There we go. You Brave, Brave Man. Got some shimmer and hollow in there. And the next we've got a purple with lots of shimmer. And this is called I Do Love Knitting Patterns. And this next one, this blue, is, well, it's a gray, but it's got blue and purple and all kind of shimmer in it. And this is Severus Please. Good, the camera's picking up that shimmer. And then we have After All This Time. And we also have It's Our Choices. Very pretty. And then finally the last one is Brave at Heart 2.0. Now I know these look very similar, but they're so not. This one's got like more fire colored flakies in it, and this one's got hollow. So hopefully we'll be able to see that when we swatch them on the swatch wheel. I'm going to get everything ready and we're going to get to swatching.
Alrighty, here we go with our first coat of You Brave, Brave Man. Next up, we've got I Do Love Knitting Patterns. That's so pretty. I love that light purple. Next up, we've got Severus Please. And it's got a clump. I don't know if that's like from the neck of the bottle or if I had something on my brush, but I'm going to try to brush it off here. Wipe it off on my paper towel and then continue on with the swatch. You know, it's not my show if I'm not making some kind of, you know, mess or whatever. And this one here is After All This Time, and this one's probably my favorite. Next up we've got It's Our Choices, and then finally Brave at Heart 2.0. I need to wear red polishes more often. We're going to go in for our second coats of everything. And I believe that all of these would be pretty much 2 coaters. You might want 3, 4 after all this time. And maybe the 2 red ones. I don't know. It depends on how heavy-handed you are. But the formulas on these are all wonderful. I thought they were all just so smooth and went on really well. I cannot wait to wear these in some manicures with some nail art. All of my pictures do have a glossy top coat on them. So, you know, you might want to take that into consideration when you use these. Definitely use a top coat. Of course, you guys know I always use a top coat. These are so, so pretty. I will have a link for Stella Chroma down below if you would like to go check these out, as well as all of her other beautiful polishes. I am a huge fan. That's why I'm sharing these with you. And here are some in motion. I do hope you enjoyed the swatch photo video. And if you liked it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.